guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and my cat just walked behind me. For today's recipe, it is beef satay, satay daging from Indonesia. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is about 2 thumbs or 2 tablespoons of tamarind and soak in half cup of hot boiling water. We want to kind of squeeze them the tamarind once the water is kind of cool a bit. We need the tamarind water. So this is 1 tablespoon plus half teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, half tablespoon of ground coriander, and a quarter teaspoon of galangal powder, and this is 1 thumb of ginger with 1 small onion and 5 large garlic with quarter cup of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I use olive oil. We're just gonna blend this into smooth paste. You can strain this so that you don't get the residue. You just want the liquid, the soury liquid, and you also don't want the seed and the plastic. We're just gonna warm this paste, mix it with the other spices, the dry spices that we have on the pan, until completely combined and bubbly. I have 1.1 kilogram of beef cubes here that we're just gonna dump our paste and our tamarind water. We're just gonna dump this and mix it until completely combined again with our tamarind water as well, strained tamarind water. So just mix it. You can use your hand, or you can use spatula, or you can use your wooden spoon, whichever. And then we're gonna cover this and let it stand or marinate for at least 45 minutes, like so. You can chill it in the fridge or on your counter, it's up to you. Now after roasting, just spread it on your skewer. If you're using metal skewer, obviously you don't have to soak it, but if you're using a bamboo skewer, you have to soak it for at least 1 hour. So it's ready to be grilled. You can grill it over charcoal or electric barbecue, or even on Teflon, actually, on non-stick pan on stove. So to serve the satay, we're gonna make sauce. It's just simple sauce. We're gonna slice shallots, tomatoes, and bird-eye chilies, and mix them in a bowl with sweet soy sauce and a little bit of water and also lemon juice, like so. And then add sweet soy sauce, a little water, and also lemon juice. And you want to adjust the flavoring, the sweetness and whatnot. It's up to you.